To start a new drawing, click the New Tool icon at the top of the drawing screen. Or you can just press Ctrl-N on your keyboard, a new drawing screen will appear. The new SolidWorks document dialog box will appear. SolidWorks can be used to create three types of documents: part, assembly, and drawing. There are two versions of the new SolidWorks document dialog box: Novice and Advanced. The advanced version includes tutorials. Either version can be used to access the part document area. Part drawings are 3D solid models of individual parts. Assembly drawings are used to create drawings of assemblies that contain several part drawings. Drawing drawings are used to create orthographic views of the part in assembly drawings. Dimensions and tolerances can be applied. Let's start new drawing. Click the Part tool and then click the OK box. The part drawing screen will appear.